Hello everyone, good morning, Namaskar. I, Murunmoy, on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, welcome you all to this great innovative platform of idea sharing, that is ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. In this video, I'm going to talk about a new experimental or an experiential innovative idea, that is a self-created dictionary which has been taken from UP State for Class 3 Chapter 12 English. So, how this idea will be innovative for us? This innovation is to enhance the vocabulary of the student based on the concept associated to the chapter through the formation of a dictionary in due course of time. What are the concepts that can be covered by implementing this idea in the classroom? We can see further. To revise the following concepts: association of letters with objects, forming simple sentences with proper noun and pronoun or article, using this, that, these, those with pictures. So how this activity can be implemented in the classroom. So teachers should make sure that whichever chapter the teacher is assigning for the students, that they should read those chapters and find out the critical words from those chapters, or for an easy use, the students can underline those words and note it down in their old notebook. And also they should write the meaning of those words accordingly. Right? In a per week, teacher can conduct this activity for 3 days, and the allotted time period for this activity to be conducted is 20 minutes. And teacher can also reshuffle the time as per the presence of students in the classroom, and I mean the attendance of the students in the classroom. So through this, so accordingly the students will note down the words, and when they will come back to the classroom, the teacher may test them while asking any of the familiar words which they have noted down in their notebook. So gradually, with this practice on a daily basis or weekly 3 days, the notebook will be transformed into a self-created dictionary. Through this activity, it has to be ensured that the understanding, building and explanation of the story and various concepts has been done before providing the student's self-created dictionary. Now, the educator may ask students to read the lesson, as I have already mentioned, whatever lesson the teacher is assigning to the students beforehand, and which has already been covered in the class. This idea also acts as a tool to enable the pedagogic practices for promoting the thinking process, decision making and critical reflection, as also discussed in NCF 2005. So gradually the students can develop their vocabulary skills. They can also increase their confidence level, and when they will go through the process of the chapters which has already been discussed in the class, in those manner they are also doing the revision in a proper way. So it is a very innovative and fascinating revision technique which can be used especially for the subjects like English, Maths, Social Studies and science also, and which includes EVS also. So likewise, you can access many other innovative ideas from our innovative Pathshala app, but yes, for that you have to download the app from the Google Store, and for future updates and future access, you have to subscribe our channel of ZIIEI, and please explore those innovative ideas and make our country educated in a rational manner. Thank you very much. All the best.